But the big earnings from yesterday, Bajaj Finance were numbers reporting after market hours. Abhishek is joining in with the fine print. Abhishek, good morning.
Morning, Homer. So the Bajaj Finance, both the ANA and PAT were below our poll. But the key point to note is that the FY26 guidance has been trimmed versus the FY25 guidance that was there. So 14 to 16 million customers addition seen in FY26 versus 18.2 in FY25. AUM growth rate to slow down to 24 to 25%. Earlier guidance was that AUM growth will be in the range of 25 to 27% in the long term. A net interest margin to remain stable. However, cost of funds can decline by about 10 to 15 basis point. Now, fees and other charges will grow at 13 to 15%. This is weaker than the loan growth, suggesting that there will be weakness in the fee income as well. Credit cost to be in the range of 1.85 to 1.95%. Earlier, the guidance was 1.75 to 1.85 for FY24. However, they had surpassed that and reached nearly 2% without the one-off. So, credit cost remains high. With respect to ROA, that will come down to 4.4 to 4.6% range. Earlier guidance was 4.6 to 4.8% range. ROE will come down to 19 to 20%, from the earlier guidance of 21 to 23%. So the guidance remaining weak and the P&L below our poll, you can expect the stock to be under pressure today. Back to you.
Abhishek, thanks a lot for that.